Well, chelation therapy is a therapy that has been used by physicians for many years, mostly for the removal of toxic heavy metals from the body. And there is some evidence that some autistic children will have difficulty getting rid of toxic metals like mercury or lead or cadmium or other things that they may be exposed to. They are exposed or had been for a long time and still are in vaccines exposed to mercury. And children also had been exposed to mercury that comes from mercury amalgam fillings that dentists put in the mouth. There's mercury in our fish because the waters are contaminated. So we have these sources of it. So chelation therapy is a treatment to try to remove these toxic metals. There had been, and I think Dr. Offit does talk about this child, autistic child, came over from Europe and was being treated in the United States with chelation therapy for autism, and he died. And of course, the headlines screamed that this death was associated with chelation therapy, when in fact what really happened was that the doctor who was treating this child was using the wrong chelating agent, the wrong drug. He was using disodium EDTA as an intravenous push rather than an infusion, and as a result, the serum calcium probably dropped in the child, and he developed a cardiac arrhythmia and died. But this was not from, quote, chelation therapy. This was from using the wrong chelating agent, the wrong drug. So it was a mistake. It was an error that resulted in the child's death, and not chelation therapy per se.